Hey everyone, in this video we'll be covering the integration between YCharts and Aviso. So to get started, I can head to our integrations page here under the support dropdown at the top of the screen. Here we'll find a landing page for our integrations and a list of all the different partners that we have to offer. Scrolling to the bottom, I'll find the Aviso integration here. So I'll go ahead and click on the activate button here on the right. And this will open a pop-up instructing me on how I can activate the integration. So this is one of our overnight file integrations. So to get your data added, all you need to do is reach out to your Aviso support contact. Once that gets approved and your data is added, the integration will be automatically activated within your account. So jumping into our test account here, scrolling back down to the bottom, I can see that this Aviso integration is now active, showing me the green check mark, letting me know that I am ready to start using the integration. So to do so, I'll head to our Portfolios tool here under the Tools dropdown. And here on our Portfolios landing page, we'll find the Import Holdings dropdown in the top right. So I'll go ahead and select that and select Aviso here. And that'll open up a pop-up prompting me to search for the account or accounts that I am looking to import. So just selecting one of my accounts here and then selecting Import. This will launch me into our portfolio editor where I can continue to edit some of the settings for this portfolio. So if I wanted to change the name or edit the rebalance frequency or even apply a fee, or I can scroll to the bottom and look at the holdings and values that we've imported for this portfolio. But once I'm all set, I can go ahead and select Save in the top right, and this will kick off the calculations for this portfolio. Once that's finished calculating, I can go ahead and click on it to open it up and open up its quote page. And here's where I can start to view some of the great data that YCharts has to offer. So I can view performance information, some key stats, asset allocation, top holdings information, and much more. I can also click into some of the different tabs listed up top here to get a more in-depth view at some of those different areas. Or I could even generate some reports, including this portfolio as well. That concludes our video today. If you have any further questions about the Aviso and YCharts integration, please feel free to reach out to your YCharts support contact. Thanks.